This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They offer only one size, 8000 BTU, which will not be sufficient for all room sizes. They do not use self-evaporating technology and so require periodic dumping of a condensate bucket. The units have manually adjusted louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room. They have electronic controls with a remote, but it does not sense the room temperature. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.